Welcome back. Are you ready for another exciting animal guessing quiz? Today, we'll be asking 15 fun and challenging questions about different animals. Let's see how many you can get right. Let's get started. Which animal is known for its black and white fur and lives in bamboo forests? Is it A. lemur, B. panda, or C. skunk? The correct answer is B. panda. Which animal is known for its long ears and hopping movement? Is it A. rabbit, B. hare, or C. kangaroo? The correct answer is A. rabbit. Which animal is known for its humpback and long migrations? Is it A. whale, B. camel, or C. humpback whale? The correct answer is C. humpback whale. Which animal is known for living in the Arctic and having thick fur? Is it A. penguin, B. polar bear, or C. seal? The correct answer is B. polar bear. Which animal is known for its sharp claws and retractable nails? Is it A. cat, B. tiger, or C. lion? The correct answer is A. cat. Which animal is known for its speed and is often used in greyhound racing? Is it A. cheetah, B. dog, or C. greyhound? The correct answer is C. greyhound. Which animal is known for its ability to spin silk? Is it A. spider, B. silkworm, or C. caterpillar? The correct answer is A. spider. Which animal is known for its camouflage and living on the forest floor? Is it A. snake, B. frog, or C. leaf-tailed gecko? The correct answer is C. leaf-tailed gecko. Which animal is known for its sharp sense of smell and digging for food? Is it A. dog, B. pig, or C. bear? The correct answer is B. pig. Which animal is known for its manner and living in prides? Is it A. lion, B. horse, or C. tiger? The correct answer is A. lion. Which animal is known for its black and orange stripes and powerful build? Is it A. leopard, B. tiger, or C. hyena? The correct answer is B. tiger. Which animal is known for its nocturnal behavior and hooting call? Is it A. owl, B. bat, or C. raccoon? The correct answer is A. owl. Which animal is known for its three-toed limbs and slow movements? Is it A. sloth, B. anteater, or C. koala? The correct answer is A. sloth. Which animal is known for its large tusks and wrinkled skin? Is it A. walrus, B. elephant, or C. rhinoceros? The correct answer is B. elephant. Which animal is known for its spines and curling into a ball for defense? Is it A. porcupine, B. hedgehog, or C. armadillo? The correct answer is B. hedgehog. How many did you get right? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this quiz, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fun quizzes. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.